Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message on systema.io form submission using Pabbly Chatflow. So here, as an owner of an event management company, I am using systema.io for taking the registrations for my event. And my objective is that as soon as an interested client is going to submit this form for participating in my event, automatically a WhatsApp message for the confirmation of their registration should be sent to that same client. Now, to automate this entire process, I will have to set up the connection between systema.io and Pabbly Chatflow, by using which I want to send template messages automatically on WhatsApp. Now here, for creating this automation, we are not going to use any kind of coding and programming skills. We will be setting up this connection with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. Now for your business, if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step that how we can automatically send WhatsApp message for systema.io form submission. So as an owner of an event management company, I am using systema.io forms in order to take the registrations for the events which I am going to organize. And here I have attached this form on my website. So my objective is that every time an interested person is going to fill up their details in the form and submit it, automatically and instantly a message should be sent to that customer in the personalized format for confirming about the event registration. Now for sending the WhatsApp messages instantly in the personalized format, here I am going to use Pabbly Chatflow. That is basically the tool that lets you create automated chatbots for your website or social media without any coding and programming skills. Also, with the help of it, because it has some amazing features, you can create customized templates in the creative format to send the messages instantly to all your customers, all your participants, all your leads, employees, anyone in the personalized format. That too with a single click without doing anything manually. So here I have also created a template for sending the event confirmation messages to all my participants, and by using that same template of Pabbly Chatflow, I want to send the messages every time. Now here, to automate the process, I will have to build the connection between systema.io and Pabbly Chatflow. Now to automate this process, I will have to build the connection between systema.io and Pabbly Chatflow. For building this connection without any coding or programming skills, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software that helps us to build the connections without any coding or programming knowledge to automate all our daily repetitive tasks effortlessly. So today we are going to automate the entire process of sending WhatsApp message with the help of Pabbly Chatflow on systema.io form submission. Let's get started. Currently, you can see I am on the home page of my Pabbly Connect account. We can reach over here by typing this URL pabbly.com/connect/INR in our browser. After coming over here, we'll find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. Now this is all apps section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. You can see we can access both Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect from here, from all apps section. I am already logged into my Pabbly Chatflow account, so I'm going to go towards Pabbly Connect. Let's click on access now. And now we are on the dashboard of our Pabbly Connect account, where we can find all the workflows which we have created. And to save these workflows, we can also create separate folders like this. Now to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box is appeared in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name to this workflow. So here we have send WhatsApp message on systema.io form submission using Pabbly Chatflow. After giving the name to my workflow, now I'm going to select the folder. So here the automation that I'm going to currently set is related to WhatsApp marketing. I've selected the specific folder, and now I'm going to quickly click on create. As we have done that, a new screen is open in front of us. The screen contains two extremely important windows, trigger and action. So what are trigger and action? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose my objective is that every time I'm going to receive a new form submission in systema.io, automatically a confirmation message should be sent on WhatsApp to that person who has submitted that form. So for that, I'm going to take Systeme.io in trigger and Pabbly Chatflow through which I want to send the message in my action step. When we are going to set up the connection between these applications, then we will see that action is going to follow for the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when the form will be submitted in Systeme.io, then only a WhatsApp message will be sent to the person, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us start creating our automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, let's go towards our trigger step and let us first of all select our trigger application over here. So my trigger application over here will be Systeme.io, as we want that when the form will be submitted in it, then the response should be captured. So let's quickly select that. Then we have to select the trigger event. I want that when the form will be submitted, contact subscribe to a form, then we want to capture the response. So here I have selected that. Now we need to set up the connection between Systeme.io and Pabbly Connect. To do that, we have received a webhook URL already, and also we have received some instructions over here. So by following the given instructions step by step, we have to insert the webhook URL inside Systeme.io, and as you will do that, then the webhook URL is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data of every new form submission towards Pabbly Connect. So let's copy the webhook URL and then I am going to show you what you have to do. So first of all, I will take you towards Systeme.io. After coming over here, and over here we have to go towards websites, and here we have sales funnel. So now over here, you have to select the specific form which you want to connect with Pabbly Connect. This is a registration form which I want to connect. You have to open it and you have to go towards automation rules. And now you have to select this funnel step form subscribed. Now what you have to do, you have to select the trigger as well as the action. So first of all, you will select your funnel over here, which is already selected, that the registration form, and the funnel step is also selected. Now in the field of webhook URL, you have to paste a URL which you have recently copied from Pabbly Connect. I already have an existing URL over here which is added, so I'm going to quickly delete it and I will simply paste the new one. So we'll simply paste the recent webhook URL which we have received. And after doing this, we just have to click on save rule. So we have added the rule successfully, and now we'll go back towards Pabbly Connect. It is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now we have to do a test submission. How we are going to do that? By simply submitting the same form which we have connected recently. So this is my form which I have connected with Pabbly Connect, the registration form. I'm going to quickly submit this form with some dummy details. Let's start with a name. Let's say the name of the client who want to participate in my event is best client. Let's say the WhatsApp number of that client is. Let's say the email address of this client is bestclient@pabblitudes.com. After entering all these details, I'm going to quickly submit the form. As the form is submitted, now I'm going to take you back towards Pabbly Connect, and you can see that the response is instantly captured. So in the response, we have received all the details. Let's start reading them one by one. First of all, we have the type of the event which is performed. So the contact form is completed. We have the source URL over here, the page name. Then we'll scroll down. We have the IDs of the funnel. We have the details of the client who has submitted the form. So we have their name, their phone number, their email address, the date and time at which this form was submitted, and some other details. This means our connection between Systeme.io and Pabbly Connect is built successfully, and now on every form submission, the response is automatically going to be captured. After receiving the response, our objective is to send a WhatsApp message to this participant for their event registration confirmation. So for that, now I'm going to use Pabbly Chatflow as I've told you. So we will set up the connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect. Let's go towards our action step. For that, let us select Pabbly Chatflow as our action application. Then we'll select the action event. So what you want? I want to send a template message. Let's click on connect. As we have done that, you can see that we have two options to build this connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect. Before setting up this connection and moving forward, you have to make sure that your account of Pabbly Chatflow is set up. For setting up the account, you have to add the WhatsApp number, and you will add the WhatsApp number by adding these details: Meta access token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. You are going to get these details from WhatsApp Cloud API. So for that, first of all, you have to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account, which you can create under Meta for developers. And when you will create that account, you are going to receive these details. And if you want to know how you have to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account and to generate the permanent access token, for that we have already created a video. So you can just go and watch that tutorial from our YouTube channel. And also we have created the video on how to set up Pabbly Chatflow account by creating WhatsApp Cloud API and how to configure everything. So for that, you can just go and watch this video. It is also uploaded on our channel, but you can also directly watch it from here. I have already set up my account, so now I'm going to go towards add new connection. We have to provide the token for that. To get this token, you just have to go back towards your Pabbly Chatflow account. From the left side under settings, here we have API and webhooks. So let's copy it. We'll go back and we'll quickly paste it over here. Let's click on save. As we have done that, the connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect is built. So now to send the WhatsApp message, we have to enter the recipient mobile number first of all. You have to enter the number over here of the person to whom you want to send the message. I want to send the message to the person who has submitted the form. So I'm going to directly map the number which I have received over here. So let's map the number over here. And as we have mapped this number, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace. So every time a new form will be submitted in systema.io, automatically the response will be captured and automatically this number is going to replace with a new number. And in this way, we are automating the process of sending WhatsApp confirmation message to each of the participant who is submitting the form. If we will enter the number over here manually, then it will become static and then it is not going to replace. Then the workflow will get stuck. Alright, now let's move forward. Here we have to select the template now. As I told you, we have created a template by using which we are sending the messages. So for that, you have to select that template. Now I'm going to take you towards my Pabbly Chatflow account. We'll go towards the template section quickly. So let's go towards template section. This is my template list and these are all the templates I have created. For sending the event confirmation message, this is the specific template which I have created. Thank you for registering. This is event confirmation. Hello, thank you for registering for the event. We are excited to have you join us. These are the details. So now here in the place of hello, I want to use the name of my participant and that's why I've used a variable over here. My template is already approved, so I'm going to use it in order to send the message. But in case if you want to learn how to create a new template, I will show you how to do that. For that, you have to go and click on this button, add new template. As a new template is open, you have to enter the details. So first of all, you have to select the category of your template. Let's say mine is marketing. Then you have to provide a name to this template. So you can give any name, let's say new template, a random name. You have to make sure that the name which you are entering in the template is in the lowercase and it does not contain any space in between the words. But if you want to use the space, you have to use with underscore. Then here we have to select the language by using which you want to send the message. Then whether the template is text, message, video or document. If you want to use any header, you can enter the sentence like this in the header. It will be shown in the header of the message in bold. Then the final body will be like this. If you want to use a variable, you will have to enter it like this in two curly braces. You will, according to the variable, you will give the numbers. This is my first variable, so I've entered it 1. Then further, you will enter 2, 3, 4 like this. So variables we use in order to make the data dynamic. So the details which we want to replace every time with according to new response. So we have to use variables in that place in the template. When we'll use the variables, automatically the data will get replaced. Alright, now here you have to provide the sample value for each of the variables, such as my variable is for the name, so I have given sample value as name. If you want, you can also attach a footer line like this. So it will be shown like this in the footer of your message. Then if you want to use any interactive actions, finally after completing the template, you will submit it and it will be sent for the approval towards Meta. As it will be approved, then you will be able to use it. Now my template is already approved, so I'm going to quickly select it from the drop down. Now after selecting it, the next is the header type, which is text header parameters. I'm going to ignore the header parameters as I have not used any variable in the header of my template. If you have used any media such as document, video or image, you have to provide the URL over here and the file name over here. Then in these three fields, we have to enter the body parameters for the body of the message. That means now we have to provide the values for each of the variables. First variable which I have used in my template is for the name, and I want to replace the variable with the name of my participant. So I'm going to quickly map the name of my participant over here. Now it is asking us the event date. So let's say I'm going to give the event date is 25th Feb 2025. Okay, I'm entering it manually because it is not going to replace every time. The date is same. And the time is also here. So I'm going to give the time as, let's say, 12 p.m. Done. Now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. As we have done that, you can see that the response is captured and here it is saying message sent success on the number which we have mapped. So now I'm going to take you towards the inbox of Pabbly Chatflow to check whether the message is sent or not. We have a very amazing feature of inbox in Pabbly Chatflow by using which you can just manage the received as well as the sent messages all at one place without opening WhatsApp again and again in Pabbly Chatflow only in inbox. So I'm going to open the inbox. And yes, in inbox, you can see that the message is sent. Thank you for registering event confirmation. Hello, best client. The name is appeared over here. Thank you for registering. We have the details over here. you can see that we have the details which we have mapped in the variables in brackets, but it will not be same when the message will be received to the participant. They will not be seeing this. Here we have the status of the message as well. It was sent at this time and here it is delivered now. Now I'm going to take you towards the number on which the message is received. We will check whether the message is received over there or not, and when we will read this message, you will see that the status of read will also appear over here in inbox. So you can see that yes, the message is received, and here we cannot find the bracket in the details. Okay, now as the message is received, I'm going to once again take you towards inbox, and you can see that the status is changed to read. Okay, so we have two blue ticks over here. Now you are also going to receive the messages over here in inbox. So when the participant is going to send another message to you as a reply of your message, let's say this: hi, I want to know more details about the event, please. And when they are going to send you this message, you can see that here the message is received. In a similar manner, if they are not replying to your messages, you can only send 2 messages in 24 hours. If they have not replied you in 24 hours, then you will not be able to send a third message. After 24 hours, you can again send them. Okay, so as the message is sent and also we have received it, you can see that our connection between systema.io and Pabbly Chatflow is absolutely successful. And now, whenever we are going to receive a form submission, automatically the message will be sent. Alright, so after completing this workflow, I'm going to show you whether the workflow is running fine or not. So for that, once again, I'm going to open the form. As the form is open, quickly I will submit this form once again with some new details. Let's say this time the name is dummy user. Let's say the WhatsApp number is, let's say the email is. As the form is going to be submitted, I will quickly take you towards my inbox. And here you can see that yes, the message is once again sent. Okay, this means our connection is absolutely successful. Also, the workflow is running fine. So you can also very easily create this amazing automation for sending WhatsApp messages for systema.io form submission. I hope the automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.